Hey guys, Bing here, and today I'm going to show you how to place all these individual family together and create a family like this. So this is one single family, so you can change all the dimensions. Okay, so let's start. So first, open these families. So they are in the Revit family folder, and so let's go to casework first. So base cabinet. So let's open this one and another one. So go to casework again. So this time countertops. So we're going to use this one. Okay, countertop and open. And another one, the sink. So go back to plumbing, architecture, fixtures, sinks, and I'm going to use this one. Okay, so now let's create a new family. So this time we are going to use the casework, and also you will notice that these depth, width, and also the height, they are the default parameters for a casework family. Okay, so now let's load this cabinet. So in today's exercise, I will uncheck if I will not use any shared family. So if it's a shared family, I'm going to uncheck it. So this casework is not a shared family, so which is okay. So let's load this into the new family. I'll place it here. Okay, so go back to this countertop, and you will see here it's a shared family. So I don't really need it to be shared because it's easier to just uncheck it. So load it into the family as well. Okay, so I'll place it here. So now let's have a look of the parameters of these two families. So here first, so in this instant parameters, so first this width. So we will link this width to this one, so which is this one. And the height, so I'm going to create a new, I'll call it cabinet height. Okay, and okay. So then go to edit type. So these are the type parameter of this cabinet. So only this depth. So I'll link this depth to this one, so which is this one, and okay, and okay. So now you will see the size of this cabinet will match these reference plans. Okay, so now select this countertop. So first in the instance parameters, so the length, I'll link this to this width as well. Okay, so and let's have a look of the type parameters. So so for the count thickness, I'm going to create a new parameter. I'll call it count thickness as well. Okay, so for the depth, I'll link this to this depth. For the height, I'll link to the height of this the default parameters. Okay, so and also I'll create the material. So I'll call it material countertop, and okay, and okay, and okay. So now we can locate these two families. So first I'm going to use the center reference plan and lock it, and then looks there's no center reference plan this way, so I'm going to use the back reference plan. Okay, so now this one, so back to back, and let me try center. Oh, actually there's no center reference plan, so that's fine. I'm going to use the side, so to make sure you tab select this reference plan. and then this one unlock. So now let's have a look in 3D view, shade SD. So if I change the dimension of this, so for example, height, change to 800. So looks like this cabinet height does not follow this overall height. What we need is we just add a formula, so equals height minus counter thickness. Apply. Oh, good. So if I change the height back to 900 again, go up, change the thickness of the count. Okay, good. Width and depth. Okay, good. So now we just need to link this sink into this family. Okay, so first let's have a look of this. It's a shared family, so I'm going to just uncheck it. Okay, so then because we don't have a opening, we don't have a void in this countertop, what we need is we need a face-based family to cut a hole in here. But because this one, if you go to the front elevation, you will see this is just a normal family with an offset from this reference level. So we will need to create a new generic model face-based. We need to create a face-based family. Okay, so in this face, actually I'm going to change the category. So because this will be the there will be a sink in this, so I'm going to change it to plumbing, and okay. So now go back to the sink and load this into the new plumbing fixture family, which is face-based, and I'm going to just place it, actually I'm going to place it in the center, and also I'm going to align this edge to this reference plane, okay, because I'm going to use this reference plane later to locate the sink in this family. Okay, so now go to 3D view, have a look. So because of the height parameter here, so we're going to just type in 0, so it will go on the face. Okay, go onto this face, and then we will need to let me just create these four parameters. So because we need to link this into that family. So for depth, I'm going to create a new one. I'll call it sink depth. Okay, so for the width, I'm going to create a new parameter called sink width. And material, yeah, so I'll just quickly, so I'll base in, maybe do it this way. So okay, so same material fixture. Okay, so all the parameters linked. So okay, so now go to floor plan. We will need to cut a void in this base, but actually I'm going to show you because it's not visible. Some of the geometry of this sink is not visible. So let's go edit this family, and the part which is not visible is this one. So see, we will need to cut a void to match the size of this part of the geometry. But because it's, if you edit this visibility graphic override, so see, it's unchecked in plan and RCP. So that's why we can't see it in that face-based family. So we just need to check this and okay, and then load this into this face-based family. So override, and then you will see this line. So this is the line we need to pick for the void. Okay, so now let's create a void, and then pick line, lock, and then pick this edge. So 1, 2, 3, and this one. So and then trim tr, and that's it. And then go to front view. I'll finish this void, and then I'll drag this down. So we'll cut this one. So, but it won't automatically cut. You will need to use this cut and click on this base and click on this void. So now you will see it's been this base has been cut, and we can load this into this family. So you can see if you space bar, you can rotate it. So once I place it on this countertop, it will cut a hole, and you can even cut anywhere. So on, you know, if you need to. Okay, so I'll delete them. And yeah, it's almost done. We just need to align to the center, and also for this location, the position of this, I'm going to use a reference plane, do a dimension, and add a parameter. So I'll call it sync offset and instance, and OK. So and then AL, this, and then this, and lock. Okay, so now if we go to 3D view, and you will see if we change the dimensions of, for example, 800 high, yep, good, 900, yep, and 600, all good. And then we still need to just check, let's check last time, make sure all the parameters linked to this family. So this one, all good. Shelf height, okay, so shelf height is the height of this shelf. Kick plate, yes, okay. So if I change this one, yeah, okay, so that's fine. We can just create a parameter kick plate. Okay, so and same this shelf height, we're going to create a shelf height. Okay, so show outline, show hidden, that's fine, I'll just leave it. And then let's have a look at the type parameters. So that's nothing here, that's good. Let's have a look of this sync. Okay, sync, nothing. Edit type, yes, material, and all the dimensions. So yeah, we can just create a new parameter. I'll call it sync depth, and then sync width, and also material. Okay, and fixture material. So these are the difference between shared family and normal family. Normal family you will need to manually, so make sure all they are linked from the very beginning to the end. But shared family, once you will be able to control them in the project. Okay, but today I'm not going to show you the share parameter, because for some, if you're new to Revit family, it's very confusing. Okay, so I think that's it. So let's have a test of the sync depths. Okay, so 400. Yeah, good. So, and the width, yes. Okay, so now let's hang. What's the time? 15 minutes. That's okay. Maybe we can quickly add more. Okay, let's do this. In the front, I'm going to quickly add a mirror on the wall. Okay, so we just need some reference plans. Okay, so for example, first one, I'm going to do it as so another one here. So this will be, I'll create a parameter for this one. I'll call it mirror lower height. Maybe mirror offset. Yeah, maybe mirror offset, and then this one will be the mirror height. Okay, and also I'm going to create another two reference plane. Di equal another dimension. This will be the mirror width. Okay, and then I'm going to create a reference plane here, do a dimension, and I'll call it a mirror thickness. So now let's go to front view again, create a extrusion, and do this in the lock, and finish, and go to floor plan. If you can't see, maybe go ceiling plan. Still can't see, maybe floor plan, but change the view range. Okay, so let's do it. 4 meter. Okay, so now can we see it? Can we see it? Oh, actually it's here. Okay, that's fine, because we see, look at this work plan. Start from this work plan. So we can edit work plan, pick this back work plan. So now it start from here. So then we can use align. So this to this lock, and also I'm going to just lock. You can also use this drag, and to reference plane you can. Okay, so now this is a mirror, and then of course we can add a material parameter. So now we can do all the mirror dimension, or let's do it. So mirror offset. If I so for example 1 meter from the floor, see, start from floor. Maybe the height will be 1 meter height as well, and then the thickness will be maybe I'll just make 10 maybe, and the width maybe 500. Maybe just match the. I'll make it match the height width of that. So yeah, that's it. And also material. So you can add, you can just create a new material here. Okay, so is there a material mirror there already, or not? Maybe glass. Yeah. Anyway, I'll cancel this. You can do it yourself. So I think that's it. And also you can also place another maybe wall cabinet on the here, and then you can add some visibility. So for example here, if I don't need this mirror, I can just create a parameter. So here, so I'll call it visibility. I'll call it vis mirror, and maybe I'll make it instance. Okay. So now that's it. Let's have a test. So if I go to a project and load, if I load this, hang on, where's my load? Oh, sorry, go back to the family and then load this into the project and then place it here and look. So this is it. So you can just place it in your project and adjust all these parameters. So, and for example, if you don't need mirror, you can just hide the mirror. Okay, that's it. Yeah, if you have any question, please let me know. Do you need this family? I'll upload this family for you so you can have a look. Okay, so thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye.